Check it out. We're about to add wireless and wired Android Auto and CarPlay to the 2015 to 2018 Acura TLX. This video is going to show you how to pair and set up wireless Android Auto. For CarPlay users, we have a separate video. We also have a full installation video. You'll see that this system will preserve your factory backup camera and original safety controls. Shifting to reverse brings up that factory backup camera, and back to park or drive brings you right back into CarPlay or Android Auto. It's going to preserve your factory XM, AM, and FM channels as well for audio. You can use factory Bluetooth to stream music, and we show you that later in this video. Or you can have XM, FM, or AM streaming while CarPlay or Android Auto are showing. Please note, when you're streaming music from CarPlay or Android Auto, your navigation sounds will play out of the speakers. However, if you're using those factory sealed radio channels, you won't hear your turn-by-turn directions from CarPlay or Android Auto. Those factory radio channels are sealed. We've precision calibrated this device to work with your original factory microphone. We can easily toggle it by pushing the voice speech button on the steering wheel. Hey Google, how's the weather in Raleigh?
Right now in Raleigh, it's 81 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 81 and a low of 58.
Because we've precision calibrated that factory microphone, whether you're talking to Google or making a phone call, your audio is going to sound great. Any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. So no matter which app you use for streaming or navigation, you'll have easy access to your favorite apps. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up Android Auto. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up wireless Android Auto as well as your audio. To begin, long holding the back button here switches between the factory Acura system and the Hamilton system. We're going to be using the original Acura's Bluetooth for audio. Here on the Hamilton underlying operating system, this operating system goes below CarPlay and Android Auto. We need to first come to Settings, System, and let's confirm that this setting called Use Car's Bluetooth channel is turned on. If it's not, you can go ahead and hit Enter now to turn it on, and the device will restart. We'll come back to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Okay, now pull out your Android device, swipe down from the top right twice, and touch Settings to open up Settings here. And then let's do Connected Devices, pair a new device, and wait until you see a device starting with Hamilton. When you do, go ahead and touch it. Then your phone will prompt you to allow contacts and call history. Make sure that's turned on and click pair. Now give it about 30 seconds to pair for the first time. If you've never used Android Auto before, you may need to approve some terms and conditions, or you may need to search Android Auto on your Play Store and click Allow from Google's side. We've gone ahead and paired it now. On the Hamilton underlying operating system, let's come here to Auto and we'll select it. And just like that, wireless Android Auto will open. But we're not finished yet. We need to set up the Acura factory Bluetooth as well. Long hold the back button to come back to the Acura factory system. We'll touch Settings. Come here to Bluetooth and Phone Settings. This device is going to be paired simultaneously to your factory Bluetooth as well as your CarPlay or Android Auto connection. If your phone was already paired to your factory Acura Bluetooth, before pairing it as I just showed to Android Auto, briefly turn the power off to factory Bluetooth. Pair your Android Auto for the first time and then turn that power back on. We do that to keep Android Auto and your factory Bluetooth from conflicting with each other the first time you set it up. If your phone has never been paired to factory Bluetooth before, now that we've got Android Auto set up, let's go ahead and pair it now. We'll come here to Bluetooth device list. We'll do add a Bluetooth device. If your maximum number of devices has already been reached, we can go ahead and replace the device. Now go ahead and pull out your Android phone. Once again, we'll open up connections. We're not going to need to do anything from the Android phone here other than touch pair a new device. The car will do most of the work. Let's let the car now find the device in question. Here it is, the Pixel. Allow access to calls and click pair. Now you don't need to touch anything on the phone. Give it about 30 seconds while the Acura pairs to the phone. We'll allow access to messages as well. It's very important that you allow all of these messages that pop up. These are standard for Android Auto or CarPlay. All right, the phone has now been paired. Let's turn on automatic phone synchronization. And now we can come back to settings here, Bluetooth and phone settings. And if you turned Bluetooth off, you can turn it back on now. We'll long hold the back button. We now have Android Auto showing up top, the phone's music down here, and we're ready to go. This phone will automatically pair to your car in the future. If you have any questions about this process, we have some really helpful articles on our Help Center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. It's important to review all of these steps and articles very closely to make sure you're using the system correctly. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We also have a full installation video for this device. If you have any questions, we're here to serve you and we appreciate your business. I'll see you in the next video.